We're super excited to introduce the Text to Sound Effects API. And for its launch, we built an open source demo application that allows anyone to create the perfect sound effect for their video. Just upload your video. We'll then analyze what's in the video and then use our custom AI model to generate the perfect sound effect for it. It takes about 15 seconds. And so whether it's for a bottle smashing, a motorcycle racing through the street, or bringing to life your favorite meme. You can try it for free at this address, or fork the repo to take it further. We're super excited to see what you'll build with the Text to Sound Effects API.